asɛm a kwabena sɛ owura abante ya asɛm no wɔka sɛ railways authority no ɔma ma ɔmo lease ne deɛ keka ka in fact Jeffrey me the way be ascend they was obetimi the ato so amamia 2014 June 19 na high court Kumasi high court etna sa railways for nsem no so and then ekuwi ase no the assems too na court no yes asase no eye omodia it is a share ruling about that time I don't know the changer asaba biem that was the ruling then say ensanko asem stool lands no now that means that railways authority any action they took before no, on the lands as omo property no I nullified now fast forward you were on July 2025 here railway authority be can say omo leases are omo the amount for across the country omo expect say don't one etwa say e be ending by 2023 it will be a funny document what document say NDO say NDO fabra no moon review the question is that omo mo occupy sa eho no who say asafo eho no mo eyi ni nyina no ko edum sa ni nyina na ko railway authority omo lands enti wo a occupy those lands ni nyina no fa document bra no mo vet that was July me akra be ye ho LPM so announcement no wa so we asking say Sankrofo yo my affected. Did they submit their documents? But na me share say video no me hu say wakofa document abechrew. But when me amfa document bi amechrew. So asem no baby a ejina no akoye bibie wo already Ghana National Fire Service ama warning. Say baby a wo mo aba place no ehu. Asafo sa ehu no ehu. Apart from that Ghana Police Service omo identify ho no say sa side one baby crime pa omo ye yo enti no e kire se e ho no nyoe so how do we manage it sa squatters yo makọ ho ne ye nua dan no ne ade nyina ne ye se ye risky eja betumi ato me de atoye nchem kese pa aba ene omo edi bone so ho ha manfo it means that together with the Ghana your friends say railways authority no any fire service ni police service ni even KMA ni ade no ese omo kabom anamo omo tuye no de me I'm not against it.
That's it.
Me I'm not against it.
That's it.
Because say you share settlement we nya proper settlement. Ade e betumi akum nipa e betumi a rescue obi life. Say wo akura wo ye bibi e bekun a kwabra e twa se prosibam.
Enokre
edi baby omotene wo mu say omote wo say ye te eyi de but say betumi age wo nkwa firi wo nsem e threat to life there and properties a e twa se prosifo na abambofo ye hu bibi and that is what Zuba and the others are doing. Right. That is perfectly right. But you now can as to your development goals, sustainable development goals are. Or mine no mpepi no amansan nyina ne aye ba yemfe ni hwe.
That's right.
Baby ase ye trane ye nya hoto. Enka bibi say yes ye no. Omunim sometimes they don't even know. Omunim say oh ye de ye nya lease bi.
That's right.
Lease na eka abante ye oti onyo ne de paper no ma no. Enya ne dia o. O ka ye ama ye nkrata ye ama ye kata. O obidia. And we twitwa baby ama wo mu no mo atenatra at the end of the day no say ye tu wo mu a ana ye ka so form krata amra sa bantie we won ko bi it's about those who owns the lands na baby adru no kwabena o mine ni hihye pa enti na ama keka ba
that's right
bank betumi anya baby a relocate wo mu ye ne abantie of free South Africa by obeka asem wo se ho no se wadwuma hwere mpo na wo nya adwuma aban ne won hihye ya ye de boawo Emma usika kakra. And imagine say senka South Africa that system no and we yes ya.
That's right.
Sankrofo mu nye de deal.
That be
because aban be ma omu bibi kakra hwe omo akoso ombetumi aye den aye enya proper settlement. Ah wonu betena.
That's right.
But the system no enye papa nti no. Ade no baby omo won nye. Enso ye pam akoye besepa ne ko nyina haban. Akoye nsempi o fascinating grow.
That's right.
And I think say here education let them be educated say baby
that's it that's it
a risky one and a two
all the authority no
good that's right ana de odi ho ama ye no kra wo ne nkrata e die nti na ese mo ye den mo be pam ye but ade no so ekoso ho no emmoa e ne ho no so ye risky ese wo te ase e die be sere se KMA is not done yet before some come starting we no kra no I think say enye krata no mo de komo mo no nko a there must be some of these education.
That's right.
Say e ho no kra ye risky motewa be amabra bossy and when the people appreciate the more church sometimes some of them will even move by themselves.
Sure.
It's
simple.
It's not done yet.
Yes.
Woman trust na woman educate you omo ye kwa na kaka America.
Kofi me da se papa nti eno no kofi aka no. Enti medical ga se KMA ejumadi omu di ne me mabo omo zuba me mabo na baso personally dada. Se ejumadi omu di ne because ye kan ya che e ma me kan se city engineer crampo be kan se ono kra de na gene nsem ni ade.